Hi friends! Today I show how to do this simple makeup and how to transform it into a bolder version. Step by step, and I'm sure that you can easily repeat this makeup for your New Year's night. As always, I start with a cleansing and moisturizing. It is my favorite product from Becca. I warm it on my hand and with finger apply it on the eyes. And write me if you see the difference. Then I mix MAC Studio Fix and white mixer from NYX. I blend it to all of my face by using brush. If you have something that foundation does not cover, use a denser product. I use my finger, but you can use a thin brush or a Q-tip. I highlight my triangle on my face. Look at my moves. I especially slow down the video. This method brings freshness and youth. I apply it on the eye, lips area, chin bone and area between eyebrows. Blend it, connect together in order to make supposed triangle. I forget to capture step where I apply powder, but you can see it on my previous video. Time to play with shadows? Look at my moves. I especially slow down this step so that you can see where I apply bronzer and work like delicate contouring. Did you see that move where I touch my hand with brush? If you don't want to do a stain on your face, first work through your hand or a paper. Did you remember about method how to lit up your eyes? This is it. I take big blending brush, blending bronzer a little above my eyelid fold to create light shadow. Time to do eyeliner. My experience tells me to do it by 3 steps. First step is apply eyeliner between each eyelashes as thin as you can and put eyeliner on a waterline. You must create a thin straight line without gaps. Second step is create line out corner. Draw a supposed line from lower eyelid. It will be a direction of your future eyeliner. And create a line, and when you will create this line, look straight. Look at the video. And the last step is connecting the out corner line with a line on your top eyelid. Try to create straight line. While the eyeliner is wet, you can use a Q-tip to create a straight line. If you saw my video how I dived with full makeup and that makeup stayed in place, this product is a hero. I apply this primer on top of the eyeliner and then apply glitters. I take medium blending brush and use eyeshadow to increase my eyes, to draw a depth of my eyes. I put brush into eyelid fold, blend there and move a little higher to create a shadow. And with previous brush and bronzer, I blend everything. Brow time. First, comb eyebrows, then draw straight thin line. Next, draw strokes like individual hair and brush it again. And with the end of eyebrows, I draw strokes, but you can do the same moves which I did at first. And again, draw straight line, draw strokes like individual hair. If you have fallen glitters, It's not a problem. Use a duct tape, but remember, first put it on your hand to take away first layers, because under eye area is so delicate. I decided to use fake eyelashes, but you can miss this step. Brightening powder. Blush is my favorite color for natural look. I use the same brush which I used for bronzer. It helps to combine colors. Put mascara. And I use lip pencil with lipstick. I use natural color. And this is the result. So easy, no aggressive makeup, so light. If for you it is enough, it's enough. If not, and you want more, let me show what I prepare for you. And again, I use primer and apply it under eye area. I use the same glitters and connect it with eyeliner. And I thought that something was missed, and I decided to put the eyeliner on waterline and between each eyelashes on lower eyelid. And what do you think? Do you like it? Will you try this makeup? I will be happy to read your feedbacks, and remember, if you have any questions, please be free. I will answer with great pleasure. And see you soon. Bye bye.